there will be more wellness activities in medical industry, and there will be more medical activities in wellness industry. So I'm going to discuss one by one what next we are going to see during this period, and at the same time when the healthcare will deteriorate, well, healthcare challenges will increase, well, the people will not have access to healthcare. As soon as travel open, they will start traveling, and that will create a huge demand for medical tourism. So we are going to see altogether new industry from here. So let's go to the medical tourism trend one by one. First and foremost, I strongly believe that medical tourism, wellness tourism, and the global healthcare providers are going to integrate a lot. What I mean by integrate, what is happening right now, that most of the wellness resorts have started providing medical services within the resort. They know that the tourists are coming to stay for 7 days, 10 days, 15 days, and they cannot travel outside for the medical services. Also, example of Al Zahra Hospital, Dubai. There are some hospitals in Thailand and in Latin America. Hospitals have started creating wellness center within the hospital, because now we are looking at the holistic well-being as a full approach. We are not looking at the medical treatment as a one single stand-alone solution at all. Now we are looking into providing holistic approach, and we are looking into globalization of healthcare in a far more different way. There will be more wellness activities in medical industry, and there will be more medical activities in wellness industry. There is going to be the beautiful integration. And if you are a medical tourism provider, and if you are a medical tourism facilitator or a hospital, and you might want to wonder that what is going to happen next, how I'm going to run my facilitation company, or how I'm going to run the hospital, make a note, make a serious note that wellness is going to be part of your business. And now people, a patient and all your customer are looking into a holistic solution. They are just not looking for the surgical solution or one solution, but they are looking for lot more integration. And together we are going to talk about holistic approach and overall well-being of patient. Patient is going to look at the medical treatment from all perspective, from safety, from hygiene, from all different perspective. Remember, till last year we were keep on saying that medical tourism is not really global industry. It's mainly a regional industry, where the patient from Africa travel to just Africa or Asia or around places, where the Americans are traveling mainly to South America, where the Europeans are traveling in Europe, right? We were talking about that. But now it's not even going to be only regional. It wasn't global, it's not going to be regional, it's not going to be local, it's going to be a dynamic medical tourism industry. What is dynamic? A dynamic industry where whatever country is offering services, visa, airline, ticket, support services, medical tourism will bend the curve towards that. So for example, Turkey was offering visa and lots of flights, and many other countries, for example India, was not offering visa and the flights. So patient started shifting to Turkey. Patient has started going to Croatia, to Cyprus and some other destination. I had a patient from Ukraine who actually wanted to come to India, but because flights were not available, they decided to go to Israel, because Israel allowed treatment for complicated medical treatment. So what is going to happen? It's going to be more dynamic medical tourism industry. So we are not going to talk in next 4-5 year regional or global. We are going to talk about dynamic pattern. Here is most beautiful thing which is going to develop. Really beautiful thing. The advanced level of matchmaking. What is matchmaking? Usually you had a one patient and you had a provider. So you used to decide as a facilitator, here is my African patient, here is my Turkish provider, and how I'm going to send this patient to here. But now that will change, because you have to look into many more ideas and restrictions and openness of tourism, whether now patients will not be able to travel to Europe that frequently. So now if you have patient, you have to look which destination is providing the travel arrangement and visa arrangement. So tourism openness is very important. Hygiene, safety, security, these are also equally important, right? And what is going to be most important is the well-being of patient. Patient is going to look at the holistic approach, where patient is going to get more support services, where he is going to take rest. He might not be able to travel fast. What if there is a 14 days quarantine period? All these things will be in patient's mind. So when you are offering medical tourism, now you have to start working on advanced level of matchmaking. Matchmaking is the future of medical tourism and global healthcare industry. More artificial intelligence will come here, more advanced software will come here, which will allow patient to search best provider, best treatment provider and all.